Now, let's take a look at the numbers. The number of non-value added action is 29. The number of value added action is only 4 or only 40%. It is also important to look at the time. Non-value added action takes 23 seconds. The value added action takes only 8 seconds or 35%. And now it's time for the retrospective. The number of non-value added action is way much more than the number of value added actions. The time we spend on non-value added action is much longer than the time we spend on value added actions. To increase efficiency, we should focus on and eliminate the non-value added action first.